Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. With my mentor. So I'm here with Naila Koroto Aini, and can you introduce yourself?
Alright guys, my name is Najwa Hatohrawi and I'm from Bandung also, and then I'm at sixth semester right now, and yeah, right now Naila especially need to interview me to fulfill she subject, I think. And what subject?
In English public speaking.
English public speaking. Okay, so yeah, that's it.
Okay, Mr. Najwa. So I am now in the second semester in English Education Department. Same with you. Okay. So I have a test from my lectures. I have several questions.
Right.
It's about your experience in English education major. Okay, so the first question is, what do you feel as an English education student?
Alright, what I feel as long as a student right now in this major, especially, it is like an mesmerizing feels and amazing in my life also, because when I decide to choose this major, it is an honor to me, because yeah, there's a many knowledge that I can have as long like I learn about how to speaking in English especially, and how to writing in English, and how to listening properly, and then how to reading properly in this major. So this is a great things when I choose to get in this major. So I think that's it. The experience or what I feel when I as a student in this college.
Wow, that's so interesting, right? Okay, we move on to the second question. So what subjects do you like the most and the least?
Alright, what I like and least on my subject, right? It is, I think, my favorite subject in this college or this major is intensive reading, I think, because
Oh my god.
in the subject I always like to want to reading something like otherwise like a book or a manhwa, manhwa,
Yes.
and many things in that reading. So news also, reading subject or intensive reading is train me to fulfill what I have to in this major, because yeah, reading is also my hobbies. So yeah, my favorite subject is intensive reading when I fourth semester, and yeah, it's a great thing when I learn how to reading properly in that subject. So yeah, intensive reading is my favorite subject. That's it.
Wow. And the least?
I forgot. And least subject. Wow, this is a heavy decision.
Heavy?
But but I tell my least subject, I think.
Is grammar?
Ma grammar. I think so.
Yes.
Subject, grammar subject is so difficult. I think I
Yes.
have to learn
I agree.
over and over again to understanding what the lecturer say it to us, right? So yeah, this is we can say the difficult subject than the others. So yeah, and the least subject is grammar,
Grammar.
in heavy heart.
Yes, I totally agree. Okay, and number 3, what method do you like the most to learn English? Maybe you prefer with listening to music, or you watch some movies, or anything else?
Right. I'm often using method like speaking with
yeah.
the other people, like native speaker, or this with my friends and my lecturer too. Watching movie is good. Listening music is a good, but I think the effective one is you have to um, many things that you have learned in speaking, because when you speak, um, in your critical thinking, it's like process how to try speak in properly, especially in English subject. So
Okay.
my what is it, the method that I often use it is speaking with otherwise with native speaker or with my
Oh,
friends
yeah.
and the lecturer. So that's it.
Yes, that's amazing. Okay, next to the next question. Number 4 is how do you survive in this major?
How I do survive in this major.
Yes, because
Wow.
now you are in the 6th semester, right?
Sixth semester.
So how do you survive?
All right, that's a great question. I think when talk about how I survive on this major. So first of all, I think I'm just going with the flow, right? Like
Just let it flow.
yes, just let it flow. Let's despite all my stress out and heavy heart to yeah moving in this major is I'm just try to calm down in every situation when I try to manage my
Yes.
time.
Mhm.
Especially I join with what is it, organization and HMJ Said, right? And
Yes.
also we have to focus on academic too. So yeah, I'm just trying to manage my what is it, my time for each what is it, my busy, right? So yeah, how I survive is managing time. That's it.
Okay, so you should make everything is balanced, right?
Nice. Yeah.
Okay. So, last but not least, the last question is: do you have any tips to make learning English is fun and easy?
Oh. And then in the scope like speaking or writing or listening or what?
Maybe in our daily routine, maybe.
Okay. There's a lot of many things that help you to make it easier
Yes.
to learn in English, but I think the core of this language is what I say before. It is you have to more and more practicing speaking, because when you speaking properly, whether you have what is it, assignment in your lecture, the speaking is always have a meaningful and have a benefit for you. So you can watch a movie without subtitle, or you can watch or see and listening music with the lyric in English, and you have to more and more practicing speaking. I think that's the tips for you.
Okay, the point is we should to have a lot of practice
Yes.
in our daily activities.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for your time,
Okay.
Mr. Najwa. I hope you can be success in the future.
Amen.
And good luck.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.